Hey movers and shakers, how you guys doing? Today we're going to be showing you how to create a Facebook ad free towards your target audience. Want to know how? Well, stay tuned. Hi guys, this is Jae Burnham and this is the 7-Figure Moving Academy. How are you guys today? So glad to have you guys here. Today I want to show you how to do a Facebook ad free, and you can do it to your target audience with no problems at all. It's a very simple process, something you guys probably haven't even thought of. But here's a secret that I want to share to you guys today. So thanks, guys. Let's get into it. So let's go into my computer. Let's go in here. What I want you to do is I want you to go, okay, so let's say we're on Facebook. What I want you to do is go into the Facebook Marketplace right here, which you can find on the left side of your computer. Then what I want you to do is I want you to go down here and I want you to go to Home Sales. Click on Home Sales. Home Sales will come up. Now what you got see here is you're seeing here a bunch of homes that are for sale, right? Some of them are apartments, some of them are storefronts, some of them are 3-bedroom homes, 2-bedroom apartments, 3-bedroom, 4-bedroom homes. As you can see, there's a lot of different homes here for sale. But guess what, guys? There's nothing that says you can't promote your moving business right here in this Facebook marketing. So what are you going to do? How are you going to do that? Well, you're going to go over here and you're going to hit this button right here. It's called Sell Something. So you're just going to go hit the Sell Something button. Boop. Let it load up. And then you got this 3 areas that you're going to want to do. You got items for sale, vehicle for sale, or home for rent. Why you can do home for rent, we're just going to go in the home for sale. So we're going to go items for sale, and then we're going to write in a category here, which then we'll scroll down. We'll do home sales. What are you selling? I would go the perfect move every time, ... Whoop, too many dots. Guaranteed. Boop, 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 boop. Price. Now you're going to do a 3-bedroom home. You could put in an hourly amount. For instance, you could say that if a 3-man team is $130 an hour, you could put $130 an hour there. What I would do is I would actually just do a flat rate price. So a typical local move for a 3-bedroom apartment, if it's just going locally, is probably going to be, $600, $700, $800. So I would do this. I would just go $1,000. Good. And then you can do a description. Now, your description isn't going to really be all that impressive just because you're not going to be able to put a lot of words in the description. You can't make a real big, you can't really make a big ad there. Where the secret of this, so let's just go, blah, 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 blah. There we go. So that's our ad. That's our description. The secret is right here, guys, in the photos. Right? You got up to 10 photos. Now, this is where your guys are going to want to put some photos. You're going to want the first photo you're going to want of your moving company. That's the one with the trucks and all that good stuff. The next photos, you're going to probably want to put some testimonials. You're going to want to put some positive things. And then the next set of photos, next 1 or 2 photos, maybe show your guys in action, like they're disassembling or reassembling, or maybe they're laying out the floor runners and putting boxes on the walls, carrying stuff into the truck being loaded, that kind of thing. And then you want to probably follow it up with some more testimonials, right? So basically what you're going to do is you're going to have your titles. Their title shot is the one of your moving business. Hire YouSaveMovingAndStorage.com today, ... Next photo, you're going to have a couple of photos of some testimonials you got, then your guys in action, and then probably maybe some like check out our reviews, or we're part of the BBB and etc. Some of your bona fides that you're going to want to do. And you can mix them up, but you're going to have to have a title photo that's not going to be unalterable. So by placing the photos in here, you could do 10 photos. So figure out basically what I want you to do when you do the photos is I want you to create a story. I want you to take them from the transformation of starting from down here at this low level, being stressed out, to the high level of you got the move done. They're sipping wine. They're sitting on the porch sipping wine, looking at the sunset in their new house. That's the story I want you guys to tell. So when you do your photos, you got to make sure you tell a story, right? So each picture should be like a chapter or a paragraph of that story. If you get what I'm meaning here, if you're smelling what I'm stepping in. So this is what I want you to do. Your description could be a very simple description, given your company name, your email address, your website, your phone number, just basic calls to action like call us now. People don't really pay attention too much to the description. What they're going to do is they're going to pay attention to the photo. So I want you to take advantage of the photos and make sure you put a really cool smack daddy big time title in it. When you're done with it, you just want to hit save the draft, boom, 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 and then you hit next, and then what it'll do is it'll make your it'll go in and make your ad. So what happened then is your ad will be right up here in the photos. Right? So when somebody comes into the marketplace looking for a home, they're going to see your ad. Guess what? It's free of charge to do this. Now, you could go and do the traditional Facebook ads, and that's like shooting a shotgun up against the wall and seeing which one hits the target. You could do that if you want. It's not that effective. But, because Facebook, when people are shopping for movers, they're shopping for movers at one specific time. They're not looking for, this is not something they're going to use over and over and over every other day or every other week or every other month, etc. This is something they're going to use once, maybe a couple years down the road, maybe move again. Hopefully that you'll get the referral from it, but this is not something they're going to look for like constantly. So using Facebook ads is not going to be very effective. However, by putting your ad into the marketplace, you're going to kick ass. You're going to take names, and you're going to get a lot of people calling you if you do it right. Just follow my advice. So when you do it, make sure you're using all 10 photos in the photo area. Make sure the photos say give you an actual story from taking the guys from a stressed out, horrendous, just to like serenity. You know what I mean? Tell the transformation, tell that story, and make sure that you're communicating with the photos effectively. Make sure you give it a kick-ass knockout headline, and then you could put the price of whatever you want to put the price. So you could put it in, make up a price, or you could put, whatever, but it's got to be some sort of price. So I would just do what is your flat rate price for a loco move? And then you could put in the description, when you do the description, the price indicates flat rate move for a typical 3-bedroom home or whatever. Now, here's the thing about this too. You could do this too down here. You could go down and do home sales again. You could sell something, and this time you could go over to homes for rent. And again, it's going to be the same thing. And guess what? You could use your marketplace profile as your regular profile. This time, your homes for rent is 50 pictures. See, 50 photos. You can select the type of house. Let's say you want to do an apartment. Good. The rental address, you can make up something. But here's the thing. You got 2 bedrooms. Whoops, that's 3. 2 bedrooms, let's say 1 bath, price per month. So basically, what you want to do here on this one is you don't want to do your price per month. You want to do your hourly price. So this, you got to really make sure you be really square in here. I would just hit 0. Or just sit like $1, good like that for that. And then in your description area, you could then put your ad. So on and so forth. So you could then type in here all these other things that apply. If they apply, most of them aren't going to apply. But here's again, this time on the rental place, you get to put 50 videos. So you got a lot of place to really tell your story using the photos on the homes for rent. So, but this is what I would use on this. I would use your 1-bedroom apartments, your 2-bedroom apartments, so on and so forth. And then just make sure that you're doing that. But this is a great place to use your Facebook and put in. So there you go, guys. Here's a simple trick that you can use to get some Facebook ads up to your target audience for free on Facebook in the area that you're operating in. Isn't that amazing? Isn't that an interesting little topic, a trick? So guys, thank you so much for coming to this video. I appreciate it. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. Right? If you didn't like it, give me a thumbs up. Right? Make sure you leave me a comment in the comment section. Tell me, how are you going to think? Did this blow your mind? Let me know if this was like something you didn't ever know about. This is something you didn't even think about. Let me know. Leave me some sort of a comment below. Make sure you share this with all your family and friends and give me that like. Now, if you do all that, guys, that lets me know what videos are popular and what videos are popping, so I know how many more videos and what type of videos to make for you, right? So this is why I need you to do that for me. So the more you give me a thumbs up, more that you give me the likes, more that you give me share this and you comment, that lets me know what direction I need to take for these videos on these channels. Okay, guys, thank you a lot. I appreciate everything you've done. I love you. I like you. Go out and do something great today. All right, guys?